everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here then hi! My name is Sophie and welcome to my space on the internet. In today's video we are doing this super simple but effective 3 eyeshadow makeup look. Literally, that's all I used. 3 eyeshadows. So easy. But yeah, so if you want to see how I got this makeup look then keep watching. Okay, so I've primed my lid with the Pete Louise base in the shade 0.5 because I'm pale, and we're just gonna do this on this side. Super easy, like 3 colours, but it looks pretty effective. So I'm going to start with my James Charles palette and I'm going to go into the dark purple, this one here, and I'm going to put that on the outside corner. Just going to take this brush by Sophie, the SK02, and just sort of pack it on the outside corner. And just take it to just about the middle. Oh, my cat's snoring. And I'm just going to take this little bullet brush and use that to sort of blend out the edges. I'm now going to take the pink shade from the palette, the bright pink one, and I'm going to pop that from the inner corner and meet the purple in the middle. I'm just going to turn that light off because it's really irritating. I don't know why that light like squeaks. Right, taking the little bullet brush and taking the pink shade in the centre, inner corner, work it out. And just bring it back and forth over the purple where they meet. Then we're going to take this little brush, I think it's from like a random eyeshadow palette, but it's little and it's just perfect for blending out the edges. So I'm now just going to clean up underneath this side and with a makeup wipe. Okay, so this is what the eyes are looking like so far, literally 2 colours, pink and purple. I'm now going to do like this little halo shimmery section in the middle, and for that I'm going to take the P. Louise base again and a little Sophie SK06 brush with the P. Louise base. I'm just going to swipe a bit along the bottom there and then look up, and where it marks is how high we're going to bring that section up. Lovely, so now that I've cut that crease so far, I'm going to go in with the purple and the pink shade either side and just blend those edges in, taking a little brush that I've used already for them. I'm now going to go into this shimmery purple shade in the James Charles palette, and I'm going to pack it on dry, but then I'm going to go back in with it wet just to give it an extra more sparkle, but I'm just going to pack it down first dry. Lovely, now that I've packed that on dry I'm going to go back in with it wet using the MAC Fix Plus. Just see how much more sparkly that makes it. Lovely, I'm just going to go back over the edges of the pink and the purple just to blend that in even more. This is the eyes so far. I'm now going to pop off camera and do the rest of my face, and I'll be back to do the lower lash line. Okay, I am back and I've done the rest of my face. It's time to finish off the eye look with the under eye. I'm literally just going to do... got hair. Keep it nice and simple. I'm going to go bright pink on the lower lash line and dark purple on the outside, matching the top half. So, taking my James Charles palette and going in with the little pencil brush that I've already used for the pink, you know. Keep the brush washing to a minimum and just bring that on the lower lash line. Sorry if it's a bit dark, I had to turn the background light off as well. Again, because it kept doing the annoying ringing noise and it drives me insane, so I can't have it on. Just taking a fluffy brush and just rolling that underneath. pink so far. I have gotten a little bit of fallout by doing that pink, so I might just have to try and touch that up a little bit later. Okay, so this is what the eyes are looking like so far. I'm now going to highlight my brow bone with the shade Ring Light from the James Charles palette. You know, my all-time favourite. Making sure to blend that in with the purple and the pink at the top. Sorry, not sorry about what I said. I'm just trying to have some fun. No, no, no way. Don't worry, don't lose your head. Didn't mean to hurt anyone. And I'm just going to take the the highlighter glazed donut, and pop that in my inner corner. I'm now just going to pop off camera and finish off my makeup, and I will be back in a second. I am back, and I've just finished off this look with some mascara and a nude lipstick. Because the eyes are bright and colourful, you're going to keep the lips quite neutral. So I just went for the L'Oreal Paris Colour Riche Matte in the shade 633 Mocha Chic, just to keep it nice and simple on the lips. But yeah, here is the finished look. It's a super cute 3 eyeshadow look, pinky purple loveliness. It gives you a really bold look without having to try too hard. I really hope you enjoyed this video and this makeup look. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. Why not leave a comment? I'd love to hear from you. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely day. Ugh, itchy nose. Bath time.